Hi, I'm Gary Eckstein from organicweb.com.au and I'm a Mailchimp Pro Partner. I've been seeing some incredible results in improvements in click rates with clients both very large and small by making a very small change to our email marketing design. Companies often contact me to get better results, whether that's better open rates, click rates, and so on. And I have really been absolutely astounded by the results I've seen by making this one small change. And for those that regularly watch my videos, you'll notice that yes, I'm wearing glasses. Got them yesterday. I think it must be an age thing or something, but you'll be seeing more of me with my glasses on. But first off, let's look at a few emails and I'll show what will help improve your open rates. Pepsi, we all know Pepsi, major brand. This email, the layout is nice and simple and it's very typical to what you'd want. One story or few stories, logo, image, heading, text, button. This, though, is the thing that's making the big change. Purely by adding a nice big bright call to action really is improving click rates tremendously at the moment. I'm not really sure why it's suddenly making such a difference, but it's really making a huge difference. Let's just look at one or two more emails and then I'll show how to do this in Mailchimp itself. Google, nice big bright button. They're absolutely doing the right thing. So single column, they've got logo at the top again, heading, text, button, not too much, and we always send people somewhere else. But the key here, is they're using a nice big bright button, not just a text hyperlink. Buttons always get more clicks, but also just make sure that your button, the color of your button contrasts to other colors. So by having a red button, it wouldn't have been as effective for Google. They want a different color. So you want a bright blue, pink, green, whatever button. Let's look at just one more email and then we'll move on to Mailchimp. The Oasis at Death Valley. Okay, they've got a few stories here, but again, they're doing the right thing in that they've got a nice big green button that people look at this and they immediately know what to click. So that really is the advice. The thing that I've been testing with a lot of clients and seen huge results is just purely by making a nice big colorful button or call to action always gets more clicks. Let's go into Mailchimp itself. Sorry, there we go. If we go into the new email builder, so I'm just going to click design email. I'm creating an email here. Luckily in Mailchimp, in the new builder, it's actually that very similar design to what we saw with Google, Pepsi, etc. So logo, you would add it there, heading, text, they've then got image. I'd prefer to actually move this slightly up. So if you just click on the button and you can just move it up the page, and I would actually put it there just like Google does. So you've got heading, text, button, image. And if you've got more than one story, you would then just continue in this vein with heading, text, button, image, heading, text, button, image, heading, text, button, image. But of course you'd make that button nice and colorful. So at the moment it's not going to maybe highlight it as much as you'd want. So just click on that. You get various settings to the left hand side and you can just change this to, a brighter color so it really stands out on your email. Look, try that. Try and have a nice big call to action. You don't give your whole story on the email. You give them a nice call to action, a button where they can go somewhere else to your website or whatever to read more. Please like this video. I'm Gary from organicweb.com.au.